Good morning students, class 8, chapter number 11, mensuration. In the previous video, we have complete out exercise 11.2. Now we start exercise 11.3. To start exercise 11.3, we discuss some solid bodies, cuboid, cube and cylinder. Already हम इनके बारे में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं in the previous videos. Now again repeat for their areas. First we discuss about cuboid. Cuboid is a solid body which contains 6 rectangular surfaces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Like this, it is a shape of a cuboid which contains 6 surfaces. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Total 6 surfaces. Similarly, a cube contains also 6 surfaces, but its surface is square, and cylinder also contain 3 surfaces. First surface rectangular and other 2 surfaces are circular. So firstly we discuss about cuboid. For the cuboid we can say that it contains total 6 surfaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. अगर हम इन सभी 6 सरफेसेस को आपस में इंक्लूड करते हैं, देन वी गेट अ फिगर अ सॉलिड बॉडी व्हिच इज कॉल्ड क्यूबाइड. इन द क्यूबाइड वी डिस्कस 2 टाइप ऑफ एरियाज. फर्स्ट लेटरल सरफेस एरिया एंड द सेकंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लेटरल सरफेस एरिया? ये वो एरियाज होता है व्हिच वी स्टडी फॉर ओनली दीज सरफेसेस जो किसी भी क्यूबाइड को कवर करती हैं. इट्स मीन टॉप एंड बेस. अगर हम दोनों को एक्सक्लूड कर दें तो दीज 4 सरफेसेस आर कॉल्ड लेटरल सरफेस एरिया. इट्स मीन एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स. एंड वी ऑब्जर्व दैट अगर हम किसी भी क्यूबाइड को कंप्लीट करते हैं देन इट कंटेन 3 डायमेंशंस. लेंथ विच इंडिकेट बाय रेड कलर, breadth and third dimension which is height. It contains 3 dimensions and these 4 surfaces, अगर हम इनके एरिया को बाई पार्ट स्टडी करें, its area is length into height, its area is breadth into height, its area is length into height and its area is breadth into height. So अगर हम इन चारों एरियाज को आपस में ऐड करते हैं then we get the formula of lateral surface area. So to find out lateral surface area, length multiply height, इसमें 2 बार इंक्लूड होगा. So we apply 2 multiply length multiply height plus 2 multiply breadth multiply height. 2 and height may be common, length plus breadth. So its formula is 2L plus B into H unit square. So it is the formula of lateral surface area of cuboid. Similarly, in a cube, अगर हम इसकी केवल उन सरफेस को देखें और उसको कवर कर रखा है, जैसे यहाँ पर तो रेक्टेंगल थी, इसकी हर सरफेस होगी स्क्वायर. इट्स मीन देयर आर टोटल 4 स्क्वायर जो इसको कवर करेंगे एंड एरिया ऑफ ईच स्क्वायर इज साइड स्क्वायर. सो इट्स लेटरल सरफेस एरिया इज 4a स्क्वायर, क्योंकि टोटल 4 स्क्वायर्स हैं तो लेटरल सरफेस एरिया हो गया 4a स्क्वायर. नाउ कट सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. सिलेंडर की वो सरफेस जिसने सिलेंडर को कवर किया हुआ है एंड द सरफेस इज अ रेक्टेंगल. क्योंकि अगर हम रेक्टेंगल को फोल्ड करेंगे एंड आफ्टर फोल्डिंग वी गेट अ शेप ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. इट्स मीन सिलेंडर की वो सरफेस जो उसे कवर करती है इट इज शेप ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. नाउ व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? We observe that the length convert into circumference of the cylinder. अगर हम ऑब्जर्व करें तो जो इसकी लेंथ है वो सर्कमफ्रेंस में कन्वर्ट हो गई. इट्स मीन लेंथ वी कैन यूज 2 pi r एंड द ब्रेथ जो इसकी ब्रेथ है इट इज कन्वर्ट इनटू सिलेंडर हाइट. सो 2 pi r into h, so 2 pi r h unit square. Now we discuss total surface area. Total surface area mean अगर हम इसकी सारी सरफेसेस को इंक्लूड कर दें तो क्लियर सी बात है लेटरल सरफेस एरिया में अब आपको टॉप और बॉटम दोनों को इंक्लूड करना है एंड द एरिया ऑफ बॉटम लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ एंड सेम यहाँ पर. So we can be adjust 2L multiply H, 2 multiply B multiply H. It is the area of lateral surface area plus 2 multiply L into B. So 2L into B plus B into H plus H into L unit square. It is the area of total surface area of cuboid. Now total surface area of cube, because their top and bottom also contain two squares. When we add area of 2 square in the lateral surface area, it is 6a square, and it is the total surface area of cube. Now total surface area of cylinder. It is a cut surface area of cylinder. When we add area of both surfaces which are in shape of circular, then it is converted to total surface area. So we can say that 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circle. So 2 pi r into r plus h unit square. So these are the formulas: cuboid, cylinder, cut surface area, lateral surface area and total surface area. Just note down and we start exercise 11.3. Okay students, now discuss question number 1, exercise 11.3. There are two cubital boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. यहाँ पर दो boxes हैं. First box which is shape of a cuboid and the second box shape of a cube. Its all dimensions are same. Length, breadth and height are given. We have to find out which box require the lesser amount of material to make. It's mean we have to find out कि किस बॉक्स को बनाने के लिए मटेरियल की कम जरूरत पड़ेगी. फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट इट्स टोटल सरफेस एरिया बिकॉज वी मटेरियल वी यूज फॉर मेकिंग इट्स सरफेसेस. हम जब इसको तैयार करेंगे तो मटेरियल को कहां पर लगाएंगे? इसकी सरफेस पर. तो जिस भी बॉक्स का सरफेस एरिया छोटा होगा तो हमें उसको बनाने के लिए मटेरियल कम चाहिए. सो वी फाइंड आउट टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ बोथ बॉक्सेस. And after this we have to find out lesser amount of material required for which box. So we divide into two parts. In the first part it is the shape of a cuboid. Length, breadth and height are given. So we have find out total surface area. Formula 2L into B plus B into H plus H into L. 260 multiply 40 plus 40 multiply 50 plus 50 multiply 60. 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000, and their addition is 7400 and their multiply is 14800 centimeter square. Now we have to find out total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube. Formula is 6a square. 6 into 50 square. It means 6 into 2500 and 25 6 या 150. So 15,000 centimeter square. So finally we observe that its total surface area is less than its total surface area. So this box has lesser amount of material. So I sure question number 1 is clear. Just note down. Okay student, now we discuss question number 2. In the question number 2, a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter. We just draw a figure of suitcase in a cuboid. Length, breadth and height are given and to be covered with a trapelian cloth. इसको कपड़े से कवर करना है. How many meter of trapelian of width? 96 centimeter is required. How many meter? It's mean we have to find out length of the cloth. If breadth of the cloth is given 96 centimeter, breadth of cloth is 96 centimeter is given and number of suitcases also given. number of suitcases is equal to 100. So firstly, when we use the cloth to cover the suitcase, we use its total surface area. क्योंकि हम इसकी हर सरफेस को कवर करेंगे, so we have to require its total surface area. So area of the cloth to cover one suitcase. Area of cloth to cover, area of the cloth to cover one suitcase. It's mean total surface area of cuboid. 2 L into B, 80 multiply 48 plus breadth into height, 48 into 24 plus height into length, it's mean 25 into 80. And after calculation, the total surface area we obtain is 13824 centimeter square. But there are number of suitcase 100. So area of cloth to cover 100 suitcases. So simply we multiply it by 100. So centimeter square. It is the area of the cloth required for to cover 100 suitcases. But we have to find out length of the cloth. So simply the shape of the cloth in the shape of a rectangle. So length multiply breadth is equal to 1382400. Breadth is given. So length of cloth is equal to 1382400 upon 96. And after dividing by 96, the value is 14400 centimeter. So it is the length of the cloth required for to cover 100 suitcases. But it's the very lengthy value, so we have to convert to meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can say that length of the cloth is 144 meter. I show the question number 2 is clear. Just note down. Okay student, now discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, find the side of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Surface area of cube is 600 centimeter square is given and we have to find out its side. Firstly, surface area. There are two types of surface area, cut surface area and total surface area. And always remember, if only surface area is given, then we have to convert it to total surface area. And we know that total surface area of cube is 6a square. So a square is equal to 100 and we know that 100 is the square of 10. So we can say that side of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. It's a very simple question. Just note down, and in the next video we continue exercise 11.3. Thank you very much.